ATCH stock analysis and ATCH stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I'm the only guy in the space, that has actually done 40,000 videos and has documented them all. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. With Atlasclear Holdings stock, I can tell you one thing, and that one thing is that with 21 cents, I'm just looking to further take things down. I mean, I know it was 6% up, but look at this freaking performance. I mean, yeah, it began from February like last year. This year, when I was bearish, but since then it's been just kept melting and melting and melting. And the truth and the reality of the matter is that I'm still looking to take it further down. Nothing has changed. It's still a bearish range. You can see I have just quite a bit of a receipts in my Discord server, but if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month without indicators, then sure, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. But other than that, I'll continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.